Alrighty, we are here for the DreamWorks Passholder preview on Memorial Day, right by the SpongeBob store pants. I'm gonna check in right here and go see this whole new area. Looks like there's a meet and greet, Shrek's Swamp Meet, right over this area right here, so that's what that's for. There's the meet and greet with the donkey.
That's my favorite!
You look real for me. Don't you owe me money? I need some waffles. Wait.
Ooh, swamp snacks over there. DreamWorks Land is technically is in technical rehearsal. It's a real balance. Splash pad rules. Harold Swamp Symphony. Oh, I think they sing. Okay, so here is the redone. Ooh, there's that roller coaster. It used to be the Woodpecker roller coaster. Now it's Trolls themed. This is Shrek Swamp. This playground used to be called like Fievel's Playground or something. Ring the bell for service.
Meet the big liars. I don't believe in you. You lie about everything.
Pinocchio's back shed.
Excuse me. Thank God Mother must have cast a spell on me.
Uh-oh, his nose is growing.
Yeah, he keeps flying.
Jurassic Park Park. This is when I was like 9. This one.
Alright, feet first. One little ogre at a time. Wow, look at all this area. We go this way? Uh-oh, temporarily out of service, that area.
It doesn't look good.
Alright, do it.
Are you gonna go down after me?
Maybe. Yeah, why not?
Ah! Ah!
Alright, so David has a little slide hack for extra speed. It's to put the thing you put around your neck to cool off, to sit on it. And it goes really fast. That's what that's supposed to be. There's even a little splash pad area here. Whoa! Sometimes they pick up and they go much bigger, like that.
Like a new man.
Those, I don't know what that is. Are they supposed to be like, you look through them and they zoom in? I think that's what that is, but that area was closed, unfortunately. They come up. I didn't even notice that. It splashes out of this tree.
Wait, I want to see how slippery the slides are going to be right now.
Mama Luna is what it says. Not exactly sure what this is. Some kind of interactive screen thing going on in here. Oh, I think I just spun that thing. Let's see what this one does. That.
No, it doesn't go down. Close the door! Sorry.
Moving on. And here we have a Trolls water fountain. That's the entrance to a show at 6:15 for this building right here. Look, it's a meet and greet with the Trolls,
Mommy?
including Poppy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Fun.
That was incredible.
Now let's go to TrollerCoaster. Right next to Trolls Treats. Yeah, Trolls Treats. We gotta see what they got there. Goes that roller coaster. Very slow, unfortunately, but still, I'm sure it's pretty fun. Little playground area here. Poppy's Playground. 10-minute wait, not bad. Hi there. This way. They still have the little tunnel here they had with the Woodpecker ride. It's all pretty much the same. All right. Water fountain, that's convenient. Back row.
Any hats and sunglasses do come.
When you get done with the TrollerCoaster, you can come over here, look for your ride picture, but they charge $24 if you want to buy it. Then it'll look like, well, I missed it. Alrighty, now we've come to the back of the DreamWorks area where we're going to go to Pose Kung Fu Training Camp. Pond of Perpetual Wetness. Wow. Ooh, that looks like a fun thing. Look at that thing right there. Yeah, look, there's one.
You can see them. Get on.
Let's all do this together. First, panda stance. Put your hands at your sides. Find panda stance. Close your eyes, and then push the energy out. One hand. Ooh, very good. Sensing some strong chi. And then with the other hand, push the energy out. Excellent job. You guys are sensing all that. How to throw your chi.
Big old splash area here. It does shake. Whoa, that is cool. Skadoosh. All right, adventurers. Now I'm going to go back in time and show you a really interesting video of the Woody Woodpecker Nuthouse roller coaster, which is now called TrollerCoaster. So you'll see the old theming. It's very interesting. And while you watch that, I'll give you my closing thoughts on this DreamWorks Land that will be opening to the public on June 14th, 2024. And of course, as I mentioned at the beginning, we're here on Memorial Day as part of a Passholder preview that we scheduled. And so basically they've updated the theming to more recognizable current characters like Kung Fu Panda, Shrek, and Trolls, whereas it used to be Fievel's Playland, that's the playground area, Woodpecker for the roller coaster, and Curious George for the area in the back that used to actually be a big ball pit room. Not a ball pit so much as a place where you have like the air guns that shoots the little soft balls, and all the kids shoot each other and run up on the second level, back down to the first level, and they have machines that drop balls or launch a bunch of balls at once, and everyone's running around. It's a lot of fun back then, so even though those characters are more outdated for today's kids, certainly the amount of play and fun you can have in the original area is way better, frankly, than what they did. So ultimately, this was a big downgrade. The playground area was much more interesting before. Even had a water slide that was much longer than any slide you saw in the video today. Much more interaction with different things on the playground before than today. So they've kind of downgraded the playground area. The Woody Woodpecker roller coaster is basically the same. Obviously, it's just different theming, so no problem there. The Curious George area in the back, as I said, was a much more fun playground area. There was some water features. You could get all wet just like they currently have it, so that hasn't changed much. But really, it's the I forget the name of it, but the ball shooting area was a blast. Kids love that. They could stay there forever, just running around, getting tired, shooting balls at everyone. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. This is Lucas TV Adventures. Be sure to subscribe and click the like button. We'll see you in another video real soon. Bye-bye.